Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix too many attempts. Please try again later on Telegram. So most of the time, this actually happens when Telegram is having a downtime, and that's completely normal. Especially Telegram does have different servers all over the world, so it might have some downtime sometimes. But here are the other steps aside from waiting for it to be okay. So what you can do is to try to, if you're connected on your Wi-Fi, you can actually turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it back on. You'll also have an option to switch it to cellular data. So you can try switching over from Wi-Fi to cellular data and try to check if your Telegram is still not working. If that didn't work, then you can actually download a VPN, because sometimes it's depending on the location of your phone. So what you can do is to select any location that you want. Here I selected Chicago. If you don't have Windscribe yet or any VPN on your phone, you can download it on App Store if you have an iPhone. And then you just need to turn on the VPN and then try to check your Telegram again. Of course, if that still didn't work, then you can go to your settings on your phone. Try to search for Telegram. Here it is. And then make sure that all of the options are allowed in here. If that still didn't work, then you can try to install and uninstall app. So you just need to long press the said application, remove app, and then delete it over on your phone. But of course, I'm not going to delete that for now. And then just reinstall it on App Store. If that still didn't work, then you can try to download an alternative Telegram application. So let's go to App Store. You can either try Nicegram. Here, this is the application. I actually have it on my phone, but if you don't have it yet, you can download it. The other one is Telegram X. Okay, so this is the one in here. So if your regular Telegram doesn't work, you can choose those two options. And those are the options on how to fix too many attempts. Please try again later on Telegram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.